Have you ever looked at your soil and felt like something is missing? Like no matter how much you water or care, your plants just do not thrive the way you hoped? Well, you are not alone. And today we are going to uncover a secret that farmers used long before modern fertilizers existed. This is not a trick, and it is not expensive. It is simple, natural, and powerful. Long ago, people did not buy bags of fertilizer. They worked with nature. They planted certain plants that fed the soil itself, and over time their land became rich, dark, and full of life. Today, we are bringing that ancient method back. In this video, you will discover 7 powerful plants that can turn weak soil into strong, living soil. And the best part is, once you start, the soil keeps getting better on its own. Stay with me, because by the end, you will know exactly what to plant and how to start, even if you are a beginner. Let us keep it simple. Soil is not just dirt, it is alive. Healthy soil has tiny living things like worms, fungi, and bacteria. These little helpers break down plant matter and turn it into food for your crops. But when soil is used again and again, or left bare under the hot sun, it becomes tired, dry, and empty. That is why plants stop growing well. Now here is the key idea. Instead of adding something from outside, like fertilizer, what if you grow plants that fix the soil from the inside? Plants that feed the soil while they grow. That is exactly what these 7 powerhouse plants do. They bring life back into the ground. They protect it, and they prepare it for your next crops. The first group is legumes, like beans and peas. These plants are special because they work with tiny bacteria in the soil to capture nitrogen from the air. Nitrogen is one of the most important nutrients for plant growth. When legumes grow, they store this nitrogen in their roots. After they are done, you can cut them and leave the roots in the ground, and that nitrogen stays in the soil. It is like free fertilizer. You can grow beans, peas, or even lentils. They are easy, fast, and very helpful. This is one of the oldest tricks farmers have used for centuries. Next is clover. Clover is small, soft, and often overlooked, but it is one of the best soil builders you can grow. Like legumes, clover adds nitrogen to the soil, but it also spreads across the ground and covers it like a blanket. This helps in 2 ways. First, it protects the soil from the sun, keeping it cool and moist. Second, it stops weeds from taking over. Clover grows fast, needs little care, and keeps working even when you are not watching. It is like a quiet helper that never stops. Now, let us talk about alfalfa. Alfalfa has very deep roots, much deeper than most plants. These roots go far down into the soil and bring up nutrients from deep layers. Then, when the leaves fall or the plant is cut, those nutrients return to the topsoil. It is like pulling hidden food up to where your crops can use it. Alfalfa also improves soil structure, making it softer and easier for roots to grow. It may take a little time to establish, but once it does, it works like magic underground. Comfrey is a powerhouse. It grows big leaves and thick roots, and it pulls up minerals like potassium and calcium from deep in the soil. You can cut the leaves and lay them on the ground as mulch. As they break down, they feed the soil. Comfrey grows fast and comes back again and again. You plant it once, and it keeps giving. It is like having your own natural fertilizer factory right in your garden. Mustard plants are not just for food. They are great for cleaning the soil. They grow quickly and have strong roots that break up hard soil. But here is something special. Mustard can help reduce harmful pests and diseases in the soil. When you cut it and mix it into the ground, it releases natural compounds that clean the soil. It is like a natural reset for your garden. Simple, fast, and very effective. Buckwheat is one of the fastest growing plants you can use. In just a few weeks, it covers the soil and starts working. It is great at pulling phosphorus from the soil and making it easier for other plants to use. It also attracts bees and helpful insects, which is a big bonus. Buckwheat is perfect if you want quick results. Plant it, let it grow, then cut it before it seeds, and your soil will thank you. Finally, sunflowers. They are vital, strong, and beautiful, but they also help your soil. Sunflowers have strong roots that break through hard ground, making space for water and air. They also pull up nutrients from deep below. When they die back, They leave organic matter behind, feeding the soil. And let us be honest, they make your garden look amazing while they work. That is a win in every way. Now you know the 7 powerhouse plants, but here is the real secret. It is not just about planting one, it is about working with nature over time. You can rotate these plants, mix them, or grow them between your crops. Let the soil rest. Let these plants do their job, and watch what happens. The soil becomes darker, softer, and full of life. Your plants grow stronger, faster, and healthier. This is the ancient way. Simple, natural, and proven. Start small. Try 1 or 2 of these plants and see the change for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Backyard Harvest. Tell us in the comments what you think and what you want to see next. Your journey to rich, living soil starts today.